What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. All right. It is April 21st, and we've taken all-time highs out again. Totally to be expected. I'm not super into shorts at all. Let's check for some news. All right, so we have there was core retail sales at 8:30, some chatting, and then Fed Chair designate Warsh will testify at 10. So I'll just go ahead and wait until after 10 to do anything today. Also, they've already taken all-time highs again, so what the heck am I gonna do, right? So that's pretty self-explanatory. All-time highs, everything that we'd spec'd out for yesterday, they took out pre-market, so great for them. And we're currently sitting inside of this volume imbalance, so yay on the so it looks like on the 4 hour should be further down. Honestly, on the 1 hour it's a little bit different, so I don't know, maybe they might want to actually come back down. Shorts for me technically make absolutely no sense until we disrespect some bearish PD arrays, bearish fair value gaps, bearish order blocks, bearish everything. So I'm not interested in any shorts until we like bust past this puppy down here, and then I'll be looking for something down here. For the moment, clean price action seems to be paused, so be careful of what you do. You know, I keep wanting to readjust this, so let me fix it. The base there. Good. And that'll be the 4 hour version of this volume imbalance right there. Okay. So let's see, what can we expect? Sadly, they've already taken out all the highs, so let's take all this off. They took that out at 7 on the 1 hour candle for 7 a.m. So we'll just go ahead and move that up. That's the new previous day high and all-time high. Yay! Looks like we're dumping for the moment. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. So we've had the first 15-minute shift right here, which is quite nice. So for shorts, if I were to be interested, I would need a second shift down, because like yesterday, I was waiting to see if we were going to get that second shift. We obviously didn't, so they kind of meandered upwards slowly and then started actually moving at 4, and then, you know, Asia and London sort of got sideways-ish movement, a little up, a little down, nothing swept. So what do we have for London lows? We have Asian lows here. Actually, sorry, hold on. So about here for Asia lows, London lows are right here, so they're pretty close. So I'm just gonna note those. So I'm just gonna and I don't know if it'll let me do anything with it since I have just need to get that I can do edit. There we go. Haha. Learn something new every day. So London lows there. Let's note that. And then we have Asia lows just below that. Edit. All right. So we've shown a very, very aggressive desire to, not aggressive, but meandering desire to take the highs out again. Honestly, for shorts, if I do catch anything below here, I would have to see, like, so we've got the 15-minute close shift here. I'd need to see like a retracement and then another 15-minute shift, and then I'd be interested in shorts. But if we take these lows out, right, we take them out and then we get a nice wick like we see here, back up, then longs would be more of what I would be interested in. And Let me duplicate this guy. So for the 15-minute, I would look for that extreme right there. So 15-minute extreme. And then, of course, the all-time highs themselves again. So those are my thoughts for today. I'm going to be waiting until after 10 o'clock just to take a trade because I'm not interested in being in the markets during any sort of red folder news time frame. Okay. Be good, be safe. Shakira out.